financial fraud investment scam is much popular in Sri Lanka today. There are that so many companies, but they don't have stable places to hold their transactions. But through the people that they uh, just spread, that they promise to give many rewards, the financial rewards exceeding the bank amount, the high interest, about 20%, 18%, like that, exceedingly to the banks that they promise to pay for the people. Therefore, unfortunately, the many victims can be seen after investing money in such sort of uh, fraud business owners. With the fraud business owners, that they start to do their first investment with full of pride, and later there are that some people at least that they couldn't get the first reward also. Only the investment they had, they did not gain anything. In such a way, there are that so many people become helpless, and they also can't understand what to do to get that money back. All these are much popular nowadays in Sri Lanka. Uh, Within, I think, the last few years or so, uh, most of the people face to such sort of unexpected incidents, investing money in such sort of fraud schemes. But you have that so many things uh, can be done to get back the money. Then the certain reports of the transaction must be preserved very well. Then that your deposit slips, if you get a slight of uh, reward or a profit from the bank, all those bank details also highly important as a fine evidence at the court. Meanwhile, the online advertisements and their names, the names of the publishers of such sort of schemes, all those things can be preserved very well for your future use. Then the agreements, the certain sort of agreements with some companies, that they make the different agreement to promote the business, in such sort of agreements also highly important. Then next, the deposit slips, with the bank's names and the name of the account holders, all those things you have to collect before you get a certain decision with the police or the court. Uh, Here, that any occasion that you must think, then how can they profit you 20% or 18%, such a, big amount as a reward on your investments? The practically, that any person that who knows about the economy, but they can very well understand that no one can make a such sort of interest on saving. Uh, then other problem is this: all those fraud people launch these businesses through the friends. Therefore, that if anyone propose you to involve such sort of a business, he is not a stranger. Then one of your amicable friends propose you to start such sort of an investment for the benefit of your future. In such sort of uh, invitations cause to purge you instantly. And then that we can see that most of the people nearly to the, even in Sri Lanka, exactly that we can't say, then nearly to the 50 60 lakhs, more than that amount, the certain rich people that they invest in such sort of companies, and but unfortunately they don't get anything as a result. Finally, they have decided to give up the idea of withdrawing or getting the profit. because finally that they are informed that the head of all these businesses were missing with money, or such sort of lies that they frequently hear from such sort of uh, colleagues. They are also that you have that so many steps to do, and then it is very responsible all these places uh, related to cheating. Then first that you can get the immediate assistant from the police, then the CID. The CID also better platform to inform this sort of cases. Uh, then every and each evidences that you should collect. Without all those things, it is very hard to get a certain resolution for the matter. Next, very important and the crucial fact is to find such sort of gangs that who face to a similar experience with that scheme, the fraud scheme, and that you find the details and the telephone numbers of them, and that you better organize a group to speak on that matter or to complain to somewhere. Without such sort of a group, it is very hard to find considerable resolution for the matter. Meanwhile, that you may have frequently heard all those people promise to give you high profit. Then that they mention that we don't have any risk of saving money or investing money with them. The quick return also that they frequently reminds, and the referrals that when you find a certain partner to invest money in that scheme with the name of that your referral, then that sometimes that your profit will be increase leaps and bounds, but only in words. Practically, such sort of profits can't be given to anyone within Sri Lanka. Uh, that some people argued the certain foreigners in the foreign countries that they have started this sort of programs in Sri Lanka, but I dislike to insult them because I don't have personally the reports to prove it. I don't have personally to prove it uh, personally. Therefore, without proofs, without evidences, I dislike to put forward that argument. However, the cheating in criminal procedure and the misinterpretations, then the prevention from money laundering, all those things, these acts will be highly important to get a relief to such sort of victims. Other important thing is just to check their registration in Sri Lankan Central Bank. Under the regulations of the Central Bank, that we have to identify of the registration of such sort of companies in Central Bank registration should be checked immediately. If you have been victimized by someone, then get the immediate assistance of a lawyer to keep on that case. Otherwise, individually, it is very hard to handle this sort of things, and then the lawyers that they will help you and give you much instructions related to that problem through a lawyer, that they can send a letter of demand to your agent or such a person to pay back. The most of the occasion with the letter of the lawyers, it will be succeeded, and according to my mind, it had been succeeded in such sort of incidents. All those people that who had excited so much, and then in such occasions that they had uh, paid half of half of the investment, like that. The certain incidents that I could go through in different sources. But however, the instructions of a lawyer must be obtained regularly to face to such sort of situation. Otherwise, that you won't be paid anything. Instead of the exceeding profits, then that you will not be paid anything, if only you did not consider to handle or get the instructions properly to prevent from money laundering. All these are the big matters in last years also, that we could see such sort of business uh, businesses the here and there. The so many people had been victimized with such sort of businesses, and then intermittently in rural level, that we can say that most of the people with their uh, respect, that they think it will be a big matter to their respect, therefore that they dislike to bring to light such sort of incidents, and therefore in such sort of businesses also they have motivated so much to launch whatever way to catch the people. In such occasions that we frequently remind you to get actions without any hesitation, and uh, win your rights, win your rights, and get back the money that you have spent for those fraud schemes.